on Spectracide Terminate. Now, this is a Spectracide Terminate capsule or stake, and so basically you drill a hole into the ground and you drop this capsule in the hole. It looks like this. It sits flush with the ground. And this orange dot right here, this is actually a flag. And the reason I'm showing you this one is because this is the one in my yard that has not popped up yet. And I'm going to go ahead and assume it's because of the overhang on my house is a little greater on this side. And typically with your standard shower in my area, it would be coming more towards the other side of my house. So the overhang is protecting this one quite a bit more, so it doesn't get as wet right here. And that's my theory on this, really. You'll see in one of my other videos, a video of me breaking open one of these terminates after the flag pops up. So basically, this flag is supposed to pop up to let you know that it has detected termite activity. So I figured I'd give this a try. I figured this is basically like a home stake kit, as opposed to having a professional come out and spend thousands of dollars. I just figured I'd give it a try. And I say thousands of dollars, I know that's exaggerative, but what I can gather so far is these things don't pop up necessarily for termite activity. They pop up for any type of activity. There's a piece of cardboard, and as the cardboard deteriorates or rots, it causes the flag to pop up. That's what the bait is cardboard. However, I've seen everything except termites eating these things. A whole lot of ants. Ants eat everything in there. And I hate to tell you, everybody's got ants. And I mean, hunt thousands inside one of these things. And so if you have ants, it's going to make this pop up. The other thing is rainwater, and that cardboard is just going to rot. And it happens, and the thing pops up. And they tell you when it pops up, that means termite activity. They tell you to drill so many more holes in that area and put 5 or so more. I can't remember exactly the number, but it ends up being quite the expense, especially with as often as they pop up. It could potentially cost someone in a wet area, an extra $30 or $40 a month, with as often as these things pop up. So I would not recommend Spectracide Terminate. Also, I haven't seen a video of one of these things that actually had termites in them. I've seen worms in them, ants in them, all sorts of things, just not termites. Check out my video of me cutting one of these guys open after the flag had popped up. Thanks.